Welcome to Module IV of the CircleWaste video series, focusing on solutions and best practices. Our project is dedicated to scaling up the e-waste circular economy in the ADRION region, supporting a greener and climate-resilient Adriatic Ionian area. Content is prepared by the Municipality of Kicevo. This module covers solutions and best practices. We will first review a video on how to implement a pilot at the municipal level, followed by a PDF manual entitled Municipal Pilot Experience Guide. The CircleWaste project context is centered on strengthening circular waste management at municipalities and improving local practices for reuse, recycling, and waste separation. It involves supporting municipalities with tools, pilots, and capacity building to protect the environment through waste management. The content of this video includes defining what a municipal-level pilot is, the steps to design it, stakeholder engagement, implementation, monitoring, evaluation, examples, recommendations, and key success factors. A municipality pilot is a localized test or trial project carried out by local government to try out a new idea, service, or policy before applying it on a larger scale. In simple terms, it's a small-scale experiment to see what works and what doesn't, allowing for improvement and expansion with confidence. Key characteristics of a municipality pilot include local testing under government coordination, an innovative approach, limited scale and duration, a learning objective focusing on data and lessons, and collaboration with local stakeholders. Pilot projects are important as they reduce risk before heavy investment, build local capacity, show results to funders, and encourage innovation. For example, Kicevo's pilot improved e-waste collection and engaged citizens and schools in proper disposal. Step 1 in designing a pilot is to identify local needs and challenges, which involves assessing the current situation and defining the main problem. Step 2 is to define clear, smart objectives that align with the municipality's environmental strategies and the project goals. Step 3 involves identifying and mapping out stakeholders and partners, such as municipal departments, schools, NGOs, and waste companies. Involve them early to foster cooperation. Step 4 is to design pilot activities, choosing the scale and practical actions like installing containers, running campaigns, and planning timelines. Step 5 is to plan resources and budget, estimating needs and identifying funding sources. Step 6 is to develop a communication strategy with key messages and appropriate channels. Step 7 defines indicators and monitoring methods, choosing performance indicators and planning data collection. Step 8 focuses on risk management and adaptation, identifying potential risks, and preparing contingency measures. Step 9 is implementation and adjustment. Launch the pilot, monitor progress, and adapt as needed. Finally, Step 10 covers evaluation and reporting, assessing outcomes, and sharing lessons learned. Stakeholder engagement is key. It means involving all local actors in planning, implementing, and evaluating the pilot. This gives stakeholders a voice, ownership, and commitment. Strong engagement increases participation, provides local knowledge, builds trust, and ensures sustainable results. Practical steps for engagement include mapping stakeholders, prioritizing those with high influence, involving them early through meetings, and maintaining communication with regular updates. Collaboration during implementation involves assigning roles and encouraging shared ownership. Finally, collect feedback for evaluation and future replication. In the Kicevo e-waste pilot, the municipality led coordination, the public utility managed logistics, and schools hosted containers. Citizens participated through drop-off campaigns, supported by AHUB partners. This collaboration made the pilot visible and easy to replicate. Practical tips include engaging early, simple communication, celebrating successes, providing recognition, and viewing feedback as improvement. The implementation phase turns planning into action, coordinating people, resources, and communication. Major stages include launch and mobilization, infrastructure and logistics setup, and capacity building and training. In Kicevo, a kickoff event mobilized citizens. Infrastructure setup involves collection points, transport, and data collection. Training ensures all involved understand goals and safety. Step 4 focuses on communication and citizen engagement. Launch a public awareness campaign using posters, flyers, social media, and local media. Organize school activities and encourage citizens to bring old electronics to designated points, maintaining visibility throughout the pilot. Step 5 is the pilot operation. Run the pilot according to the planned timeline, regularly collect e-waste and record quantities, and maintain communication among partners to quickly solve problems and identify necessary adjustments. Recommended frequency includes weekly data checks and monthly coordination meetings. Step 6 is ongoing monitoring. Measure progress using indicators like the number of collection points used, quantity of e-waste collected, participation levels, and citizen feedback. Document both quantitative results and qualitative observations, such as stories and testimonials. Step 7, closeout and evaluation, involves concluding the pilot with a stakeholder review meeting, summarizing achievements and opportunities for scaling up. Prepare a report with data and lessons learned. Communication must be continuous and two-way, keeping citizens informed about progress and thanking participants. Common challenges include low citizen participation, which can be solved by increasing visibility through schools and social media. Logistics delays are addressed by direct contact with partners. Limited resources require focusing on high-impact actions. Data inconsistencies are solved with a simple, shared recording sheet. Outcomes from the Kicevo pilot include installing 5 new collection points, collecting significant volumes of e-waste, reaching hundreds of citizens, and building a foundation for long-term management. Key takeaways emphasize careful preparation, the importance of coordination and communication, visibility for participation, and documentation for replication. Monitoring and evaluation are essential to measure progress and impact. Monitoring tracks activities for quick adjustments, while evaluation assesses if objectives were reached. Kicevo collected data on e-waste amounts, participation, and feedback. Results confirmed that awareness and school engagement increased participation and collection.